got a bad habit of breaking things. In fact, I broke all these, and each one of these was about $30 to replace. So I got an idea. Because this is just really thin plastic, what if we take a bolt or a piece of PVC or something and reinforce it? And then I don't have to worry about breaking any more of my knobs. I went to go grab some zip ties, but it made me think. I've wondered what this cat does in her free time. I guess this does it. I think the best way to fix this is just a zip tie. After spending way too long trying to make this look pretty, I just wanted to show you really what I'm thinking of doing. You can see the crack here, and I'm gonna use a zip tie maybe to wrap it around just like that. Now back to camera only audio. I'm just gonna really try to snug this down. I couldn't make it any tighter, so I grabbed another zip tie and we'll finish it off with some toenail clippers, leaving a nice smooth edge.